Hi, how's it going? I'm Chris. Welcome to another video on the channel about artificial intelligence. This time we're going to try out a voice cloner that I found super interesting, and I wanted to share it with you and clone my voice live so you can see and tell me what you think. So let's share the screen. We're starting now with this tool called Noise AI, and that way we can decide together what you think. Look, here we have the application open. And well, here as you can see, you have the whole home section. We could start here, but down here we see voice cloning, sound design. Let's go to the one I want, which is voice cloning. Okay. Here we'd see this screen with the example it gives us. They say an elephant never forgets. What they don't tell you is you never forget, and growth isn't always loud. Sometimes it is the quiet decision to be a little kinder to yourself today than you were yesterday. From the page. And here we'd go to clone voice. Okay, let's see here. Now I'd have to provide my voice to be able to do it. I'd have to speak in a normal tone, just like the one I'm using in the video. And I'm going to put a text here to do the test. Come on. It would be clicking on record audio and starting the recording, and I'm going to read a text I have here. Hi, I'm Chris. I'm doing a test to check if artificial intelligence can create a voice similar to mine. I'm speaking in my normal tone, as I would in any of my videos. Done. Come on, I'm going to listen, because if not... Hi, I'm Chris. I'm doing a test to check if artificial intelligence can create a voice similar to mine. I'm speaking in my normal tone, as I would in any of my videos. Perfect. We have the audio. We'd click next. Let's see if it can really clone it. Let's listen to it. Hi, I'm Chris. I'm doing a test to check if artificial intelligence can create a voice similar to mine. I'm speaking in my normal tone, as I would in any of my videos. It's still my audio. You only need 3 minutes to master this little trick. Okay, sure. Listen. Now it's coming. It's coming. You only need 3 minutes to master this little trick and multiply your productivity. Go ahead and try it. Heavy, huh? I mean, I'm going to listen again. You only need 3 minutes to master this little trick and multiply your productivity. Go ahead and try it. If I had to find a flaw, it's just that when there's an accent, well, the tone stays the same, but the rest, I mean, it's spectacular. Right, here, try another text. I'm going to put in another text. Let's see this one. Let's listen to this one. Elia gently opened that old wooden door. Sunlight flooded the room and forgotten memories returned like a tide. Let's see, I'll put this one in too. How's it sound? It's a pleasure to meet again. Today let's talk about those moments that fill our hearts and share the small joys of life. Okay. Right, I guess here we'd tell it Spanish female voice and we'd give it the specific text and save it. It seems spectacular, honestly. It seems, right, voice design, voice changer. And this, let's try this, let's see. Hi, how's it going? I'm Chris. Welcome to a video on the channel. Hi, how's it going? I'm Chris. Welcome to a video on the channel. Okay, so what do I have to tell it which voice I want, right? Let's see. Diva Neon. Generate.
Hi everyone, I'm Hatsune Miku. Let's make today sparkle with music and smiles.
Right, okay. It's transforming my voice into this girl's. We'll see, let's see. Hi, how's it going? I'm Chris. Welcome to a video on the channel. Right? In the end, it uses the tone that I'm giving it. There are a lot of characters here. As you can see, these are the ones it offers you. But here you go to anime, and you have the anime ones. Characters, funny, science fiction. And if you have a text that, an audio you've already made, you can upload it directly. It doesn't have to be a live recording. Okay. Remember that you also have create music, sound design, voice cloning, which is what we were looking at. And also text to speech if you want to create a text and have it do it for you. It's also very interesting, honestly. Voice library. I mean, honestly, it's super complete, huh? It's really good. Here too, here where it says enter your text, and if you wanted to say it in impulseness, Sebastian, energy, passion, welcome. Right here. Hi, I'm Chris. How are you all doing today? I hope everyone is feeling good. Let's go ahead and generate the voice. Let's see whose it is. Oh, it's Inma's. Let's generate Inma's voice now. Hi, I'm Chris. How are you all doing? Okay. Also you, hi, I'm Chris. How are you all doing? Sure, here you can change give it more intensity or less intensity. Hi, I'm Chris. How are you all doing? More rhythm. Hi, I'm Chris. How are you all doing? Sure, you can keep changing it. I think this is also super cool. But anyway, the whole voice cloning thing honestly seemed very interesting to me because in the end, I didn't actually record that phrase myself. I just gave it an example. And when you think about it, there are so many endless possibilities for what you can do. Podcasts, narrations, courses, really, the range is huge. Being able to use this tool, I think, is honestly very good and genuinely useful. By the way, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and remember to leave a super like to keep bringing more videos like this and about different AI tools, curiosities, etc. that you want to see. What else? Nothing, just to say that I liked it a lot. Let me know in the comments what you thought, if you already knew it, if you didn't know it. And that's it for today's test, today's video. As you've seen, the process is very simple. First, we provide the voice, and then really everything is automatic. I mean, it seems very easy to me. We just need the text or whatever we want to do. From 1 to 10, what score would you give this tool? How much do you think it sounded like my voice? Also from 1 to 10. And anyway, if you want to try noise, I'll leave the link in the description so you can try it out. If you liked this video, as I said, leave your like, your support. And I'm Chris. If you liked it, see you in another video. Thank you very much. Best regards.